Bravo, Papa Yankee, 48, eastbound.
D29 City 1024. So Orange Charger, Tennessee 9, Tom George 856, 9 Tom George 856, 280 eastbound.
Are you showing me on the map down here, 33 10-4? Okay, I'm out down here with 31.
10-4.
Final stop location. We're just over the top of the MLK overpass, eastbound.
29.
Trooper Evans, Arkansas State Police, resume out with you for your speed. Got you at 83 miles per hour when you're coming at me. Have your license, registration, proof of insurance? Sir? Okay, how much marijuana do you have in the vehicle? Okay.
I smoked
Okay. Do you have any firearms inside the vehicle?
on my baby mama. I seen my little girl.
Gotcha. Is this your vehicle?
It's registered me on the tag. Everything will come back in my name.
Sir?
Everything will come back in my name.
Okay. Do you have insurance?
Yes, sir. All the shit come back.
Yeah. Go ahead and turn your car off for me. Step back here to my car. Took off.
29. Bravo, Papa Yankee 3885. Bravo, Papa Yankee 3885.
Okay.
fucking move, you're gonna get shot! Do you understand? You fucking move, you get shot! Get on the fucking ground! Put your hands on the back! I'm on the ground. I'm on the ground. I'm on the ground. I got better fucking stay there. How about that? It's unlocked. It's unlocked. Alright, got him covered? Yeah. Alright, cover him. There's a weed he tried to throw. Yeah, I know. That's all. Good job. 23, we're 10:15.
10:15. There's an edge. Okay, we're at the same time, 7:58 p.m.
Put your chest on, Hood.
Yes, sir.
Get up. Go back to my car. Go on the other side. Sit down. Grab a seatbelt with your other hand.
Can't, that's so long. I guess.
Any kind of way you can let the window down, crack a little bit of something. I really can't hardly breathe. You got the door open, if you don't mind.
Scoot over.
Yes, sir.